Ignorance is bliss. This video explains the meaning of this proverb and then tells how we can apply it to our lives to bring luck, overcome difficulties, and succeed. Ignorance is bliss. It's a catchy proverb that often gets thrown around in conversation and media. But what does it actually mean? To put it simply, it means that sometimes it's better not to know certain things. It's about finding happiness in the unknown, in the absence of knowledge or information. But how can this be applied to our lives? Well, there are a few ways. Firstly, it can help us to let go of unnecessary stress and worry. If we don't know about certain problems or challenges, we don't have to worry about them. This can lead to a more positive, relaxed, and carefree mindset. Additionally, it can open us up to new opportunities and experiences. Sometimes, we can get so caught up in our own knowledge and beliefs that we close ourselves off to the unknown. By embracing the idea that ignorance is bliss, we can become more open-minded and willing to try new things. Of course, there are times when knowledge is necessary, and ignorance can be dangerous. It's important to use discernment and judgment when deciding when to embrace ignorance and when to seek knowledge. Overall, the idea that ignorance is bliss is a powerful one. It encourages us to find happiness, positivity, and opportunity in the absence of knowledge. So the next time you're feeling overwhelmed or stressed, try embracing ignorance for a little while and see if it makes a difference in your life. Ignorance can also be a powerful tool in overcoming difficulties and challenges when faced with a daunting task or obstacle. Sometimes not knowing all the details can help us approach it with a fresh perspective. It can allow us to think more creatively and outside the box, without being bogged down by preconceived notions or limitations. However, it's important to note that ignorance should not be used as an excuse to avoid responsibility or accountability. We should still strive to educate ourselves and seek knowledge where it's necessary. In the end, whether ignorance truly is bliss is subjective and depends on the situation. But by embracing the idea and using it strategically, we can find more positivity, opportunity, and success in our lives. Ignorance is a double-edged sword, and while it can bring happiness and positivity, it can also lead to negative consequences if not used wisely. It's important to strike a balance between ignorance and knowledge, embracing the former when it brings benefits and seeking out the latter when it's necessary. With discernment and judgment, we can make the most of both ignorance and knowledge, leading to a more fulfilling and successful life. Ultimately, the key is to be open to new experiences and ideas, while also being aware of our limitations and seeking to expand our knowledge and understanding. If you found this video useful, please rate it highly, comment, and subscribe to the channel.